Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is kung papaano ka nga ba kikita dito kay Lord 9 Infinite. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag meron tayong panibagong upload regarding kay Lord 9. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So, today, pag-uusapan naman natin kung papaano nga ba kayo kikita dito kay Lord 9 Infinite. Now, on my past videos, guys, binibigyan ko kayo ng mga tutorials kung ano yung mga dapat nyo i-priority, yung mga common mistakes. But today, we are going to talk about the opportunities na meron dito sa game na to. Okay? Because the main goal of our channel is to provide information in terms of RMT. And tagal na tayo nagpo-promote ng mga RMT games sa channel natin. So basically, the concept is similar with other games wherein you buy and sell items to other players, which can be done in this game as well. So, paano ka nga ba kikita dito? So, the first thing is you can actually sell diamonds, okay? And magagawa nyo yan guys kapag meron na po kayong or meron na kayong weapon mastery na level 55. As you can see here, once you reach weapon mastery 55 or level 55, you can have a personal trade, which means that you can make a transaction directly doon sa buyer mo. So let's say for example, you are selling diamonds because nakaipon ka ng diamonds by selling items in the game, which is kunwari itong mga item na to, meron ka na pulot na ganito, tapos nabenta mo siya. Usually, pwede mo siyang i-trade sa other players using the personal trade. Ang ginagawa kasi namin doon, kahit even sa WeedM guys, is usually, nag-ghost trade kami. Pero dito, you don't have to do ghost trading because there is a direct trade na pwede nyong gawin once you reach level 55. Number 1, iwas-scam ka doon. Pangalawa, automatic yan na kung sino yung katransact mo, yun lang din yung makakakita niyang personal trade na yan. So, that's the good thing about the game. Currently, hindi pa natin siya na-unlock kasi level 45 pa lang yung weapon mastery natin. But as soon as I was able to unlock it, I will also show it how it's done. Alright, but hopefully, ma-reach natin level 55 within the week. Sana guys, no? Ma-reach natin yan. But anyway, you get the idea guys, no? So, if you are selling, let's say for example, you have these items na loot kayo. Let's say for example, ito, kunwari ito, mabenta natin siya ng 95 diamonds. We're going to get 87 dias. Okay? And then, pag naipon natin yan, pwede natin siyang ibenta in bulk. So, just like with WeedM guys, kung nanonood kayo ng WeedM content ko before, it's the same thing. The only difference is that there is a personal trade dito sa game na to. Okay, which is good para sa isang MMORPG game na bago, no? Kumbaga bago kasi to eh. Right? Now, there's also another way on how you can make money here is through selling accounts. So let's say for example, nagre-rolls kayo or naghahanap kayo ng magandang avatar. So, what you can do is, kunwari nakakuha kayo ng, let's say, mga epic na avatars or mythic na avatars, you can actually sell your account itself. So, gawa lang kayo ng mga dummy accounts. Okay, so kada reroll nyo, of course, may chance naman kayo na makakuha ng epic avatars or even mythic and legendary. So, if you were able to get these items, better to sell it now kasi medyo mataas pa yung presyo niyan. Okay? Now, that's one tip as well for those people na ayaw mag-grind or ayaw magpa-level. They just wanted to test their luck. Then, you can do it. You can sell the character itself. Alright? Yung mismo account. Make sure lang na dummy account yung gamit nyo, of course. Para at least hindi affected yung personal information nyo. Okay? Now, the third thing is this quest na meron sa kanilang website, which is ito, guys. Alright? So, ililink ko to sa description natin. But kung mapapansin nyo dito guys, you can actually complete missions, alright, so that you will be able to get a USDT. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung mga missions available right now. So currently, yung first mission is first purchase completed in the item shop, which means dito sa mismong item shop na to. Alright? So dapat dito kayo bumili sa mismong website na to, guys. Right? So usually magla-login lang naman kayo dito, and then from here you will be able to buy these equipments as well. Alright? So ang pinaka minimum dito is around $7.99 for their packages. Okay? I'm not really sure kung pwede sa phone and also matitrace siya sa phone. But basically, I think dito mismo sa website na to, kasi this is in partnership with Next Market. So they're currently running a campaign wherein you can actually get at least 100 USDT by just finishing all the missions that they have available in this website. So aside from purchasing in the item shop, you can also get 1 USDT if you reach a Relic of Destruction. You can also dismantle rare gear 180 times. You can get 2 USDT from that. Pinakamadali is ito, Reach Mastery level 65. Okay, kailangan nyo lang talagang i-grind yung character. But basically, ayan, nakalagay naman dito kung ano yung mga guidelines para makuha nyo or para maging eligible kayo for the rewards. Ngayon, since this is an event, so saan nyo makukuha si USDT? So all you just need to do is to follow this. So click Cash Out USDT. And from here, they will be able to instruct you. May mga instruction dyan kung paano nyo i-cash out yung rewards na nakuha nyo. Okay? So malinaw tayo dyan, guys. Alright? So depende sa inyo if you want to do this. Okay, you can get 1 USDT from this. But if you don't want to do this, then you can do the other quest na walang required na pagbili. No? Hindi nyo na kailangan na bumili if in any case man na ayaw nyo or wala kayong budget, of course. Alright? But anyway, if you actually do crafting as well in this game, there is a lot of opportunity as well. Especially kapag nagka-craft kayo ng mga weapons or items, of course, mataas pa yung value niyan. Currently, ang available sa market right now is just the rare weapons, okay, or rare equipments. Though you can actually get epic equipments by upgrading, basically by upgrading your friendship level, okay, dito sa relationship. So yung friendship level nyo, guys, pag na-upgrade nyo to ng level 3, you will have an access, okay, doon sa shop kung saan makakabili kayo, guys, ng epic items. So hindi nyo na, kumbaga hindi na siya required. Okay? Kumbaga hindi na siya required na bumili kayo nung mga passes, because basically you can just grind your way up if in any case man na ayaw nyong gumastos. Okay? Ganun siya kasimple. Now, when it comes to this one, magkakaroon din ng of course, since merong partnership si Next Market and also si Lord9, you will be able to become eligible with the event na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Okay, which is ito. So, this is for free, guys. Hindi nyo naman kailangan na magbayad just to get the rewards from here. It doesn't really require you to do so. You just have to follow the instructions and also grind the game as well. Alright, this is for free. Wala kayong ihalabas dito and whatsoever. And they actually release a trailer, okay, and nandun yung isa sa mga promoter ng game, which is si Peach Pachara, guys. So watch nyo na lang yung video na nasa screen natin. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, talagang ginagastosan nila yung game, and they're trying to make it better for everyone else na naglalaro ng Lord9. So yung mga guides na ilalabas naman natin in the future, this is basically to help you progress in the game as well, kasi even ako, guys, level 45 pa lang ako. Yung iba mga level 50 na, level 51, but yun nga, I'm taking things slow, okay, kasi we are not only playing Lord9, we're also playing Maple Story Inn, and gumagawa rin tayo ng content doon. So yun lang naman, mga tol. I just want to thank you guys for watching the video. I hope this helps you out and nagkaroon kayo ng clarity in terms of how to make money in the game. And if you do have any other question, feel free to comment down below. Pwede rin kayo mag-reach out sa ating community. We have a Facebook group, which is ayan, and also we have a Discord group. You can also visit Barangay Tamagos Discord kasi lagi akong nandyan. Okay, nakatambay lang ako sa Maple Story na Discord, guys. So basically, that's it. Again, thank you so much for watching. And alam nyo na, guys, this is BM and peace out.